To wish you all rewarding, stimulating, as well as health driven new year ahead. It is indeed a pleasure for me to welcome you all on behalf of Goal Foundation. Telling and briefing you about the journey of Goal Foundation. It was on June 1st, 2020, when actually Goal Foundation came into existence. It is only due to the idea which was conceived by our co-founder, that is Senior Vice President Sardar Jagwinder Singh. The exclusive purpose of forming this group and foundation is just to upgrade, enhance, uplift, empower, as well as to give chance and opportunity to so many unsung heroes. In our group, we have presence of Pan-India principals and teachers. And I'm proud to put on record that in this last 6 months, we have undergone so many webinars, panel discussions, faculty development programs by bringing new faces. Every time we do an activity or any event, we try that a new chance, a new talent is brought. This was actually the sole objective. It is my personal belief that there are so many people on this planet in our country who are unsung heroes. They are doing commendable contribution, but they never get a chance, an opportunity, or a platform where they can express their ideas, where they can showcase their talent and unleash their potential. So we believe in growing together, rising together, learning together to attain zenith.
This is the 5th faculty development program, and I would like to say these type of webinars or seminars helping us to know more and explore where we can achieve something. And as today's first theme is cold learning cycle, and today we are going to attend this important workshop that is going to skill the teachers and enhance their performance. I would welcome you all and hope that you will gain knowledge in this workshop, in this webinar. And our first resource person for the day is Mr. Dalbir Singh.
Understanding this definition of experience and learning from it has been in vogue, you can say, in fashion for quite a long time, for quite many years, since the times of William James, the father of American psychology. And after that, John Dewey and many other educationists have spoken about experience. Even Aristotle and Plato have said something about experiential learning. But this experiential learning is a little bit different. We'll be discussing that also.
I generalize and adapt new situations. This is our this is our intelligence, whatever we are doing. But how intelligence is calculated, how intelligence we know about the intelligence. Suppose I will tell to all of you, those who, you take a paper, draw one figure. Take a paper, draw one figure, and that paper you tear it. After that, that same paper give to one student.
It was an amazing session by both Dalbir sir as well as Dilip sir. From core of my heart, I extend our felicitations for both the resource person for sparing the precious time and taking updating us and briefing us with what is happening latest. 5th FDP of our session 2, to skill teachers for enhanced performance. Our co-founder, Mr. Jagwinder Man, he often used to say me, हौसले बुलंद कर और अपने रास्तों पर चल दे, हौसले बुलंद कर और अपने रास्तों पर चल दे, तुझे तेरी मंजिल जरूर मिलेगी, तुझे तेरी मंजिल जरूर मिलेगी, बढ़कर अकेले ही तू चल पड़, बढ़कर अकेले ही तू चल पड़, देखना तुझको काफिले बनते ही जाएंगे, लोग मिलते ही जाएंगे. So true. Even from my experience, I have always noticed and observed, and I'm sure all of you would have also experienced it, that there is a special trait in these successful, rich, and great personalities, that is their trait of taking initiatives. Even if you look down your memory lane and try to recollect, Mahatma Gandhi ji also started all his revolutions single-handedly. और फिर क्या था, लोग मिलते गए, कारवां बनता गया और मंजिलें मिलती गई. So, dear educators, I am not the competent authority to comment on it, but this is my personal experience as well as an observation. Maybe you differ with it. We all are born with 100 billion brain cells under the same sky, which is full of opportunities. But still, only few become great leaders, become successful, and they are able to materialize their dreams because they dare, because they believe in themselves.
So, my dear teachers, to every teacher out there, I would like to say, you have nailed 2020 very well. In spite of all odds, now let's move on to 2021 and explore new things with new vigor, with new vision, to make this teaching learning process a wonderful and life learning process for our dear children. Dear teachers, all of us are aware of the word rote, but what it actually means. The rote learning is the memorization of information based on repetition. All of us remember when we were in our childhood, I think we were learning like tables and other things in the schools.
Do we require certain mechanism so that we delegate with the right kind of people? And if we have chosen the right kind of people, what mechanism, what strategies do we follow that they remain accountable to the job? Now, this accountability is something which usually we don't focus when we delegate. And most of the time, delegation is just taken as giving one duty roster to the people to follow, and we think that our job is done. Everybody remain focused towards a single goal of the organization, which you call as vision and mission. And the third thing is how to get everybody into job. And it is rightly said, nowadays it is easy to do the job, but it is difficult to get people to the job. So getting work done is a challenge that what a leader is supposed to look at. So these are the four important perspectives in any organization: the people, the processes, how you lead the people, and how you get the people to work.
Your session was really very awe-inspiring. We have got so much of, you can say, so much of ideas from you, and we have learned so much from you. Or Mr. Vivek. Vivek sir, if I have to sum up you in 3 simple words, I would say a man of excellence. You are really, really so excellent personality. You have taught us so many things. Being leaders, we have been so much, at times we are also in a confusion that what to do and how to do. But the way you have explained the things in such a subtle manner, right? And everything, whatever you have fabricated our minds,
So work on your present to make yourself a wonderful future. First of all, very, very happy New Year, all the eminent personality present here. Dear Edu leaders, as the Senior Vice President of Goal Foundation, I feel delighted to extend my vote of thanks all the wonderful resource persons, Mr. Dalveer Singh ji, who enriches us on the theme co-learning cycle, Dilip Kumar ji, who enriches us with the theme role of AI in school education, Mrs. Rohini Aima ji, who enriches us with the theme shift from rote to inquiry-based learning, and one of the best topic, Vivek Tiwari ji, art of delegation. Tiwari ji, you said art of delegation is what that जहाँ तक मुझे समझ आया that create a leader. So I think Goal Foundation doing the same. तो हर वेबिनार के एंड में या हमने जितनी भी FDPs की हैं, तो मैं ऑलवेज इसी चीज पे फोर्स करता हूँ कि ज्वाइन गोल फाउंडेशन, बी आर पार्टनर, वी विल प्रॉमिस यू, वी विल बी चेंज योर लाइफ एंड गिव यू लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज. तो अगर हमारे पास बहुत अच्छे अच्छे माइंड्स होंगे, हमारे पास आइडियाज होंगे, तो हम इस फाउंडेशन को और अप लेवल पे लेके जा सकते हैं. तो एट द एंड मैं सिर्फ इतना ही बात बोलना चाहूंगा कि मेहनत करते समय 3 बातें दिमाग में जरूर रखें. पहला, अपना लक्ष्य. दूसरा, मेहनत कभी व्यर्थ नहीं जाती. तीसरा, असंभव कुछ नहीं. तो गुड इवनिंग ऑल. थैंक यू वेरी मच.